Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. JericaMonique here. If you are new here, welcome. Today I'm going to be doing a video of me dermaplaning my face. This is just going to be on the technique I use to shave my face pretty much. There's plenty of videos here on YouTube that show this technique, but I just wanted to bring you my little input. I have tried this technique once before and I just figured I would bring it to you guys and film it for you guys so you can see how I do this. When I did it before, I did receive some razor bumps on my face after probably the day after I did it, and it wasn't a big issue or anything because they went away about a day later, but I did want to let you guys know that if you do this, some people do experience razor bumps and some people don't. So if you do, don't panic. They will go away. I just continued my regular face routine and it went away. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And also hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a video. So without further ado, let's jump right in. So I have already gone ahead and washed my face. And if you watched my skincare video, you know that I use the Dudu Asan black soap. And it looks like this. Now I'm gonna go ahead and steam my face, and I'm gonna be using the EC Vicen steamer, and then I'm gonna steam my face for about 5 minutes and then proceed on. So I did just finish steaming my face, and I do have like this slight glow to my skin right now just after steaming. So now I'm going to apply some of this vitamin E oil. This is by Bella Terra Oils. This is their unrefined organic vitamin E oil. I'm just going to take just a little dot of this. I don't want to put too much. So I did pick some razors up at Sephora yesterday, and I got the Japanese steel blades, and this is just the Sephora brand. It came 3 in a pack. So I'm just gonna start on this side first, and then I'm gonna kind of like pull the skin a little taut and then begin shaving my face. So now I'm all done dermaplaning my face. Now I'm gonna take some simple micellar cleansing water and then just wipe my face off with a cotton round. So now to moisturize my face, I'm actually gonna go in with some aloe vera. This is actually a fresh piece of aloe vera. I just cut it off my plant out in the living room. So now I'm just gonna cut this in half. So I'm just gonna take this half and then take some of the gel inside. So now my face is completely coated in aloe vera gel. I'm just gonna rub it in some more. Aloe vera is really soothing to the skin, so that's why I put that on there. My face is just a little bit sticky right now, but that's okay. So that was it. Real simple, real easy to do. Most of these ingredients or products you probably already have at home, other than maybe the steamer, but you can order that online, and like I said, I will link it down below with everything else I use in this video. So that concludes this video. I hope you really liked it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.